big snake. Savannah, this is called a red-tailed boa. Okay, stay back. Crisscross.
Stay there.
Crisscross up. Now, Savannah, this snake is not done growing. It's going to get about from me to you in about 65 pounds. And they sell these in pet stores. Should they sell this in pet stores? No. It's not the snake's fault it gets that big. Now, she is a very thick snake, and like I said, she's already stronger than me, but she just doesn't know it yet. But in probably about 3 years, they grow a foot a year. She's going to go live at a zoo and live out her life, because she'll be too big and too strong for me.
Oh my goodness.
This snake here
Savannah, look at the snake.
was left in Washington, D.C. in an apartment all alone. Someone abandoned it, and a police officer was a snake lover, just like Savannah. So we named this snake Dennis after the policeman that saved its life. All right, Savannah, you want to help me carry this one? Bring it up here. So stand right here where my toes touching.